I bet you didn't know 2025 could be your breakthrough year. Time to turn those dreams into reality. 2025 is here, and it's brimming with opportunities. The digital world is your oyster, and you've got the pearl. So, how do we tap into this potential? First up, freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or marketer, there's a demand for your skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are booming. Set up your profile, showcase your talents, and let the world come to you. Consistency and quality, they're your best friends. Next, let's talk affiliate marketing. Imagine earning money while you sleep. By promoting products you love and trust, you can earn commissions with every sale. Join affiliate programs of big names like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Craft compelling content, build your audience, and watch the commissions roll in. But it's not just about the money, it's about freedom. The freedom to work from anywhere, the freedom to choose your projects, the freedom to live life on your terms. 2025 is all about leveraging the power of the internet to create the life you want. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step. Dive into freelancing or affiliate marketing and watch 2025 become your best year ever, because the future is online, and the future is now.